What's up guys, today I'm going to teach you how to create these insane sick music video effects for your music video edits in just one click using this AI plugin. And stick to the end of this video because we're going to be giving away a bunch of free editing presets and templates so that you can install these presets directly inside of Premiere Pro and use them. Without further ado, let's dive straight in. All right guys, we're inside of Premiere Pro, so we got our music video clip. We're going to be using the AutoEdit Music Video Editing plugin. So this is an AI plugin that we built ourselves because I was tired of creating effects from scratch and wasting so much time, rebuilding the same edits over and over again. I've linked down to it below. Yes, it is a paid plugin, but I'm going to be giving away some of the energy effect presets completely for free so that you can download them. So we've linked to the plugin and we've linked to the free presets in the description. The free presets, once you install them, you go to your effects panel, you click the 3 hamburger icon, and then you hit import presets. And then you just click the .prf preset file that you can download from the second link. So wherever you downloaded it, you just click it and then you hit open and then they will install. And then you'll now be able to see them when you search AutoEdit. So when you search AutoEdit, you'll be able to see these presets. So here's how it works. A lot of these effects you can actually just click and drag and drop and apply, and it creates this sick looking effect with just drag of a button. Like I said, completely free to download. You can also do some which are like offset. Let's try like a glitch one. Oh, flash presets are pretty cool too. Stuff like this, you can get cool effects. So these are just pretty standard presets. We got another camera whip pan. This one right here, we got this crazy like trippy warp effect. Anyways, but you can also use the AutoEdit Music Video Mode plugin to apply these way faster. So you go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click AutoEdit Music Video Mode. So this plugin not only creates visual effects, but it also lets you automatically edit full rough cuts of your music videos from start to finish. So we have full tutorials on it linked down below, but you literally just upload your music track, your performance takes, and your B-roll clips, and it will automatically cut the full rough cut of your music video to the beat of the song. Like, keep in mind, I say rough cut, it's like a very nice starting point. It's not a final finished edit. Some of the clips might be random. Some of the clips might be imperfect, but that's for you to change, to use your creative direction. It's just to help you get that starting point of your music video. And yes, of course, it has a built-in visual effects applier where it not only has just energy effects, but you can do stuff like apply camera shakes with just a click of a button, and boom, you get some instant camera shakes just like that. That looks crazy. Look at this. I didn't even have to make any adjustment layers. It just automatically instantly does it for me. We also have these floating overlays, which basically apply overlays and effects to your videos. Look at this thing. This looks so sick. We got some bullets like floating in, and it automatically keys them out as well. So then that way you get this crazy effect. But most importantly, we have those energy effects, which if you have any questions or need help about how to use these effects, you can hover over these question mark icons and it'll take you to a quick short tutorial that you can watch on how to use the visual effects applier. So it's super easy to learn and use. But one of my favorite parts about these energy effects is that you can combine them with Premiere Pro's new object masking feature. So to object mask, it's pretty easy. You just hold Option or Alt, you drag up on one of your clips to duplicate them, and then you grab, you go to the very beginning and you grab the new object masking tool, which is only available in Premiere Pro 2026. One thing to keep in mind is that if you have versions that are before Premiere Pro 2025, you might encounter some errors with some of these energy effects. I will let you know. The rest of the effects should work fine, but the energy effects are specifically built for Premiere Pro 2025 and 2026. But if you don't have those versions, you might encounter some bugs with the energy effects. Just FYI, keeping that in mind. Now, once it's done with the object masking, you can see our subject's fully like rotoscoped out, or object mask, they want us to say. We drag this object mask under our opacity. So we drag it under the opacity layer. And then now if you turn off the bottom layer, you'll see that our subject's fully object mask and rotoscoped. Now we click on the bottom clip, we go to our visual effects applier in AutoEdit, and then you just go ahead and select whichever effect type you want. Let's do this one. This one looks sick. We hit insert at playhead and boom, it instantly applies these effects to our bottom layer, and we get this crazy looking trippy effect that was created with just a click of a button from AutoEdit. And we got this rotoscope. This looks insane. Like, this is some After Effects level shit that we just made inside of Premiere, and it like emerges together. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this so far. There's a bunch of different variations as well. That's not the only effect. Let's try something else. Let's do this one right here. We click, oops, I accidentally applied that one to the top layer. So you have to make sure that you're selected on the bottom layer to apply those effects. So you select your bottom clip, you hit insert at playhead, and boom, look at this. We got all these crazy effects going on being applied to the bottom of our timeline. Another good one is this slide effect. So we click insert at playhead and boom, it creates this offset slide effect where we got our background moving behind our subject. I love this one. This one looks super crazy. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. You can download a lot of these presets completely for free. Not all of them. This plugin does come with more custom presets, but if you want to download some of these presets, you can, like I said, grab them below in the description, and then you can just drag and drop and apply them. You can see I'm just stacking these effects and we're getting some crazy results. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Now, if you want to learn how you can actually automatically edit your music videos from start to finish, from raw footage, B-roll to a final music video rough cut, then you can check out this video linked right here.